Heard something cool in anime and thought, what did they just say? Ever wished you could understand your favorite characters without subtitles? Want to sound like a real anime character? Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Japanese. I'm Yui from Kyoto, and today we're diving into 5 popular anime phrases you've definitely heard. Let's get started. Phrase 1, ikuzo, meaning let's go. I'm going. Used before jumping into action or battle. Example, shinkuzo, before a character charges into a fight.
よし、行くぞ行くぞ行くぞ行くぞ
ちょ
行くぞもう一つ
Phrase 2, deizyubu, meaning are you okay? Used when someone looks hurt or upset. Example, deizyubu, after someone falls or looks worried.
誰だ
もしもーし、大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫。僕最強だから。
Phrase 3, mate, meaning wait, shouted when chasing someone or stopping them. Example,
待っていかないで。
wait, don't go.
ちょっと待ってくれ。いろいろそう。
Phrase 4, uso, meaning no way, you're kidding. Used when shocked or surprised. Example, uso, hontoni? No way, really?
アトリ、ヒューマノイドは嘘もつけるのか？
もちろん！完成なんですから！嘘だったの？
Phrase 5, ganbatte, meaning do your best. Good luck. Used when cheering someone on. Example,
頑張ってね。
before a test or match.
でも、頑張って。
Nice work today. Now you won't miss those iconic moments in anime again. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.